Warning, wire fraud is real. Home buyers and home sellers are some of the biggest targets of wire fraud in the country. Criminals and hackers may try to con you into wiring money to them, okay? Know this, my brokerage firm will never provide you wiring instructions. So if you see something that looks like me asking for or our company asking for you to wire them money, it isn't from us. So we're going to list 4 steps, and these 4 steps will ensure that you are safe from wire fraud every single time. So first of all, call, don't email. Confirm all wiring instructions by phone before transferring funds. Use the phone number on a business card or on the title company's website, and then call them directly. Okay? Be suspicious. Number 2, it's not common for title companies to change wiring instructions or payment information. Okay? Number 3, confirm it all. Ask your bank to confirm the account number and the name on the account before sending any wire. Okay, 4, verify immediately. Call the title company to confirm that the funds were received. Remember to inquire before you wire. If you follow these 4 steps, you're going to be perfectly safe, and we're going to continue to remind you throughout the process to be wire fraud aware.